Hi everyone. What I have here is a faceting machine, Bulunmaz Doublehead faceting machine. This came for our exhibition, which is take place at May 1st until May the 4th. And in this video, I will unpack it and show you what you expect when you order this one. You can see it's a very sturdy, very good box which protects your machine. Also, if it's empty, after you can use it for your own purposes. So let's go and take a closer look. So first thing you want to do when you receive a box like this, walk around and look if there is any damage. Then of course it have a easy to open latch because at the customs they want to see, they want to open. And when you open, you do the same thing. You just take a look, you check if it's correctly fixed to the pallet. And it's look like. So if I move the machine, the whole box moving together, that means the machine wouldn't hit the walls or any damage. Looks like the custom already opened it and checked the plate, the serial number plate. As you can see, it's freshly made. Now it's very easy to open, but the machine is being like 200 kilograms, so it's easier to remove if we just take apart the full box. And that's what I'm going to do. So for that, I will use my good old friend battery powered drill. Right. Okay, let me see. So these screws are PZ, so not Phillips head screws, but that type of screw. Right. Yeah, that's a perfect fit. Let's give it to him. Nice and tight. Yeah. Okay, next, take down the top. See, very good business. You get free latches. Alright. So top is down. Next I will unlock the front. Okay. So now the machine is fully accessible. To save space, I recommend to remove the backside, and then the packaging will be completely flat and easy to put away somewhere. Okay, I removed the backside. So now I take my best friend and he will help me. On the side, I found accessory boxes. Carefully not to cut into the paint. Okay, one accessory box. Let's take a look inside. I opened box number one. Box number have 1/2 accessories for the vertical spindle, the horizontal spindle, and this is an automatic motor turning. Yeah. But when you receive, you should check for these items. And then you have tools. One Allen key set and some wrenches. Nice. So we have everything. And on the bottom there is a timing belt, which goes with this motor. It goes on that wheel. The other bigger box is the ring holder. Complete assembly goes up to the plate of the machine, and there you will put your rings and bangles. It have adapter for bigger and smaller pieces. So everything is fine. I checked the accessories. Fine, everything is here, everything is in order. Well, now I will open the machine finally. It's very exciting indeed. Yeah. Right. Yeah, almost done. This is how it looks like when it's unpacked. I hope you like it. Let's take a look around what we have here. So this is the working plate. This assembly in this heavier box goes up there and you can put your rings and bangles on there. When set up this first spindle, you can turn it right here around this plate and it can stand up like that. The other one is stay like this. And in order to change, we can unlock this plate and the whole upper part going over that part, turning like this, and then the other one going away, and you can use the vertical. So there are the controls, everything seems to be okay. A little bit dusty, but it's the fact the customs opened it, and I think they have probably a dusty warehouse where they store these items. So to remove the pallet, you see there is one screw and another one screw, and there should be one more screw, but it's stable enough. These mounting points also can be used when you put the machine in its final place. Okay, so that's about it. A very nice heavy machine. So see you at the exhibition. Thank you for watching. It was a really hard job because today is about 40 degrees in Thailand. So I'm a little bit tired. Now I will drink something cold and then pack it back and go to the exhibition. See you on next Wednesday.